Guys, I got stung by a jellyfish. Look at What's up, everyone? We are on the way to Napoli. Yay! We're going to Naples. And we're about to board the plane. I completely forgot to vlog. We stand with the Welling. Oh, Welling, for sure. No Ryanair. Ryanair's the absolute worst. So, we'll see you in Italy. What are you excited for? The pizza and the boat tour. Okay.
I'm excited for our boat tour and to drink a limoncello spritz.
Oh! You know, Alex told us about
And the gelato. I'm so excited for the gelato.
That's our least favorite airline. Never fly Ryanair. What did you say about the planes?
That they have buttholes.
They have butthole. Look at the cat. Alright, we are officially in Napoli and we're gonna go to a coffee shop and get coffee before we go to
Pizza.
Good.
If I'm gonna be so honest,
Be honest.
here was insanity.
Oh. Okay, coffee of the day. Everybody got a cappuccino. I don't know what I got.
Lauren didn't record it because the guy literally was pouring the cocoa powder all over my shirt.
No, like it.
You can still see it. You guys think I'm lying? No. Two people? No cars?
Or how much is this? Good? Let's go.
What do you rate it?
8 out of 10?
Okay. Got this thing. 7 out of 10?
For what?
It's different. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like there could be more flavor. Yeah. But this one, it's like, I don't know, I have nothing to compare it to, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
It's pretty good. Yeah, it's literally just like crust. Delicioso. Limoncellos. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test.
It's a strong one.
It is strong. Thank you.
Good.
Clean?
I'm good, thank you.
Or should I take one?
I hope this
No. I hope you caught that. I just try to cheers everyone ignored me. Cheers.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go take the train soon. And we're gonna go to Sorrento. Of course we have time to tan.
I don't know if we have
And then, yeah, we'll see. 32, almost 2.
Honestly.
Okay, we just made it to the Mika station. But we're getting picked up from our Airbnb. Yeah, people because they're just so kind.
By the host Giuseppe, my habibi.
Giuseppe. Pizza.
Okay. You know what? It was good, but it was dough and pasta or like pizza sauce. Then again, it just kind of tastes like pizza. You know, like a little Caesar kind of like. Oh my god. Yeah. You did film it, but we had like limoncellos.
Oh, limoncellos. Yes.
Oh my gosh, yum.
Those were good.
You guys didn't see this, but we all started crying.
You guys missed it. I'm sorry, but
We're up now.
We're up and ready.
And we're in Italy. Oh, our waiter was definitely flirting with Amina. I'm gonna use
And the train guy. She was the only one that got her luggage put under the seat.
Yeah, like
We all had to do it ourselves. Like,
I was like, are you guys serious? No, yeah, like he walked up to her and was like, let me do it for you, BB. And then put it under the seat, and I was like, dude, what the hell? And Amina was hella blushing. I was like, okay.
Yeah, by like a 50-year-old man with a receding hairline.
Wow, this is small.
It's smaller.
Yes.
This is the road.
this is so pretty. We're going up. Thank you.
Okay. There is
What?
Yeah. Okay.
That is Napoli.
Yes, we were just there.
That is some volcano.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And that is Pompeii. This is Sorrento.
Woo! Okay, give me a house tour.
Okay, come on in. So first we have this amazing
Amazing
full-size bed
bed.
that turns into a sofa. And then
Okay.
right over here we have kitchen, barely
That is
any
so
lights.
cute.
Nutella, bread, croissants.
And lemons.
And lemons.
Gosh, okay.
Couple is so nice. The guy drove us over. He showed us all the places to go, like the bus stops. Really, if you're coming,
Yeah, you have to stay
with
here.
them.
Yeah, 100%.
We'll link it down below.
Look at Eileen. She's glowing as always.
Literally
Stunning.
insane. Like, and look at the beauty queens.
Hi, guys.
Two necessities: wine and bug repellent.
Oh yeah. She got it in her eye when she was
I
spraying
literally
it.
sprayed it into my eye.
Amina.
It was so bad, but we're in Italy.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to dinner. What's the place called?
No say.
Some Italian thing. I don't know. Yes, that. We're going. Yeah, we're taking a hike.
Oh, what the hell?
Another hike up to this restaurant. Round 2. Okay, we're making our way back up because we.
I got the directions wrong, and I wanted us to work out today. So.
I mean, it was on purpose. What do you mean?
Incline walk. Come on. 12:30 people.
Oh my god. Alright. Almost there. Climbing up all these stairs. I'm struggling.
My calves are growing.
Calves are growing. Leg day. Oh my. Guys, it never ends.
Come on,
Wait, the lighting is so cute here.
We're not tired at all. No.
No. Oh god. We'll see you guys there though.
This is what happens when we want to take a group photo and we don't have a 5th person.
2, 1. Oh my god.
That was so cool.
One more, just for
Look at the struggles.
the struggles.
No, this is so nice. That's
Oh, that is so cute.
Okay.
Oh my god, we're in Sorrento. Okay, we're eating at this place and it's adorable. Like the seating and everything, the lemons.
Right here we have anchovies, kissed anchovies. I know, Amina. That's stuffed mussels. And then fried prawns.
Ooh, okay. Okay, we're gonna try. So good.
Perfect. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Okay, we just got back from the restaurant. How was your pasta? Oh,
My mouth is full. I rated it an 8.8 out of 10.
Oh, that's good. Honestly, it was really good. Like the gnocchi that I had was so fresh. Like I would give it a I think I would give it like a 8.5 out of 10. What did you give it?
The gnocchi?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna take my bolognese down to an 8.1.
Okay.
I'd rate yours probably like an 8.3.
Okay.
And then I'd rate Eileen's probably an 8.3 as well.
Yeah.
And then I'd rate Hannah's like shrimp, lemon, linguine. Honestly, like a 9.5.
Ooh. Tomorrow we're going to we're going on a boat tour. We're gonna go to Positano and Amalfi Coast. Yes, we have to wake up bright and early. But we're gonna go swim, so we have
So
to
that's
be
all
bright.
that matters.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Okay. Bye. Okay, there's our boat.
Not just like a, you know, a regular boat. It's Sal's boat. Okay. So far the tour is going good. We're on the coast of Sorrento right now. And then where are we heading to next?
We're going to Amalfi.
Yeah.
And then Positano.
Yeah. And then we're gonna spend like an hour and a half in Amalfi. And we literally have 0 plans.
This is the first time.
Am I recording? Wow. They're pulling up my boat for me. I bought that the other day. I'll take this there.
This is breakfast. Al dente. Very good.
Okay, Mina's gonna do her CB haul.
We went to CB, super popular, very expensive. My haul, I was debating I was gonna get like a little makeup bag. I decided on this like beach bag
So cute.
thing. This is the pattern.
I
Can we
love
get a
it.
haul, Lauren? So cute.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
California.
Okay.
Nello is new.
Oh, okay. We're gonna all jump in, and then they're gonna film us with a drone, I think. So if they give us a drone footage, this is going
First
in.
of all, you guys, Lauren just volunteered and said 4 people are gonna jump.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, Lo, what happened?
I got stung by a jellyfish.
Her battle scar.
Battle scar, but it's okay, they'll leave one chill. Then she was like, oh my god, you guys, I got stung by a jellyfish. And I'm like, oh my god, and she grabbed that shit out of the water and took a bite out of its head.
I literally ripped that thing off me.
Yeah, he said, not today. Low-key, I kind of got peer pressured in jumping in. I had no intentions, but you know what? When in Italy, right guys? Cheers!
Cheers to jellyfish.
What's up, everyone? It's currently, let's do a time check real quick. Whoa, whatever. It's 23:16, so it's 11:16. Update, I have 50 mosquito bites all over me, and it's horrendous. Like, but I put some toothpaste on my bug bites, and it seems to be helping. So, good morning. We are about to leave. Oh, you guys saw that yesterday. Do you guys have any more?
Yeah. I literally one around my neck.
Oh no. Yeah, I have like a billion on me, so. But right now. Yeah, we're gonna go to Pompeii for a couple hours and then head back. So good.
This is the Italian lemon.
Lemon
squeeze.
Squeeze before we go. Okay, cheers. Cheers.
We waited
All right.
this hour.
It's good though. To Italy. Super cool. All right, tour guide Eileen.
Welcome to Eileen's guided tour.
So what is this?
So you see right there, that was where the village people congregated.
Okay.
Every night they used to do a nightly dance around a fire. And then that was what actually summoned the volcano eruption.
Wow. Okay.
Many people don't know this, so you'll never find it online, but like
And right there is a pool. It's actually a bath that they took their feet in, but because they wanted to preserve the water, they would drink it every night after the toe bath.
that's why no, she's right, because when like people found the bodies, they had really nice feet, and that's why the feet were the best part that was preserved.
And the people of Pompeii had great teeth, and it's because of all of the calcium, and it was teeth whitening, and that's what Crest uses now.
Press 31.
It all
But you'll
comes
never
around.
find this online though, because it's exclusive.
Yeah.
Definitely BC.
No, AD.
Oh, AD.
Wait, that looks so uncomfortable. Okay, we just finished Pompeii.
It was really cool to see everything.
Yeah.
It was really hot, so it was kind of like we were just kind of tired.
We were kind of tired.
But 10 out of 10.
We would definitely do more research or get a guided tour. It's like $20 more for a guided tour, and we think it's worth it. But we were just on a time crunch.
We are gonna go back and then eat some more food, because what else would we do, right?
Yeah, you have to make it from scratch.
Pasta. Yum. How is it?
I got the Nerano, and it's like popular here. It's but at least I tried it.
Yeah. Good for what it costs. I guess. It's a lot. Yeah.
Amigo also named Giuseppe.
Su Giuseppe, allora. 1, 2.
I'm gonna be so for real. Me and I've been fighting this entire trip. Like we were on our way to lunch and she pinched me, and like we were like fighting in the street. But And now I'm stuck with her.
Yeah, she's stuck next to her favorite person.
And that's why her backpack got checked.
Yeah, I got checked. I did not let them charge me. I literally put all my body weight into getting it into that little cabinet.
That's why she was gone for 15 minutes. And that's why I guess her bags.
And my credit card didn't get charged, so.
That's right. Anyways, everybody say bye.
Bye, Italy. We're sad.